Looking to make sure your Telegram app is up to date on your Android device? You're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through not just how to update Telegram using the Google Play Store, but also a few simple tricks to make sure you never miss out on the newest features and bug fixes. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep Telegram running at its best, so you can enjoy all the performance improvements, security updates, and fresh new tools the developers roll out. So let's jump right in. The Google Play Store is the most common way Android users install and update their apps, and it honestly couldn't be easier once you know where to look. First, grab your device and locate the Play Store app. It's usually a multicolored triangle and can be found right on your home screen or in your app drawer. Go ahead and tap to open the Play Store. Now, to check for updates, look toward the top right corner of the Play Store screen. You'll see your profile icon. Depending on your settings, it might be your photo, an initial, or just a blank icon. Give that a tap to open a little menu packed with useful options. From there, find and tap on Manage Apps and Device. This is actually your main dashboard for handling all things related to the apps installed on your device. Once inside Manage Apps and Device, you'll see a section labeled Updates Available. Take a look here. If Telegram has a pending update, it'll show up in this list, along with any other apps that need refreshing. Sometimes the list is long. Don't let that overwhelm you. If you'd like, you can simply tap the Update All button to update everything at once, which is handy if you don't want to worry about missing app improvements. But if you just want to focus on Telegram, scroll through the list to find the Telegram icon and tap the Update button right next to it. When you tap Update, hang tight for a minute while your device downloads and installs the latest version. It's completely normal for this part to take a few moments, especially if your internet connection is a little slow or if the update is larger than usual. Once it's finished, Telegram is officially up to date. You're good to go. But what if you don't want to worry about checking for updates manually every time? Good news, you can set Telegram to update itself automatically, saving you time and hassle. To do this, return to the Telegram app page in the Play Store. You can simply search for Telegram or tap it in your list of installed apps. On the top right corner of the Telegram page, look for the little three dots icon. This is actually an options menu. Tap it and you'll see an option labeled Enable Auto Update. Make sure the box for this is checked. With Auto Update on, your device will keep Telegram current in the background whenever new releases arrive, provided you're connected to Wi-Fi. And that's really all there is to it. Keeping Telegram updated means smoother chats, better security, and access to all the latest features the team is working hard to provide. If this video helped you out, feel free to hit that like button and drop a comment below if you ran into any issues or have questions. The community and I are always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.